Hello dear colleagues, I am Mrs. Sampada Kulkarni welcomes you in 1 week FDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. This is e-FDP or online FDP organized by Modern College of Engineering. In this session, I am explaining you the Stream tab in the Google Classroom. How to use this Stream tab and how it is helpful while using the Google Classroom. Now I am switching to the Google Classroom. How to create a Google Classroom, how to join a class in a Google Classroom as a student, how to create it as a teacher, I have already explained in my previous video. For your reference, I am providing a shortcut link in this right up corner. You can go through that if you don't know how to create and or how to join the Google Classroom. Now here I am going to explain you this Stream tab specifically. What is this Stream tab? This Stream tab is helpful for the communication with your students. Now this is the account where I am going to play as a role of a teacher. So now if this Stream class, you can see over here, share something with your class. This is the thing with which you are going to share. So now this is the thing where we can post or work with to the students right away. Pick a date to post will appear over here, or you can save it as a draft as well. Now here if I want to share the something that is hi or hello students, welcome to academic year 2021, and I want to post it. So here for posting it will show different options like post, schedule according to if you want to schedule this particular announcement at particular date, particular time, you can schedule over here, or you just keep it as a draft. And if you want to create all respective draft, you can create it, and whenever you want to post it at the right time, you can post it. Now currently I am posting it, and after posting it will look like this. Now this is the same thing you can see on the students account. Now here this is my another account which is I am going to play the role of a student. Here I am refreshing the page with which you can see the post which is announced by the teacher. After refreshing the page, here you can see that the teacher has posted that is hello students, welcome to year 2021. Here you as a student can post a comment that is thank you sir, madam, whatever it may be, and you can post over here. You can see you can communicate with your teacher on every post which is created by your teacher, as well as you can share something which you want to share as a student with your teacher. So suppose if you want to post any query, sir, can you please help me to assign to complete the practical. If you want to post like this, if you are having any query, if you are not able to, the student is not able to complete or the solve any query, you can add a photo of that query. If you are having a screenshot, if you are taking the photograph of the work which you have done on your notebook, on the paper sorry, you can take that photograph and you can upload it. If that photograph is available in your drive, you can take it from drive. If you are having a shareable link of that document which you want to upload, which you want to show, you can give over here the link, or you can upload it from a file. Or if YouTube video is available of the faculty and particular part you want to ask to your teacher, then you can upload the YouTube video link as well. Now here for example I am giving you a single attachment that I am uploading it from my computer. I am selecting it. For example, this is the document on which I am having a query. I am uploading it, and it is selected, and here I am clicking on this upload option. That is, this document is uploaded. It will look like this, and after that you can post it. Here you are sharing all these things with your class. You can see over here it is shared with your class. As a student, every student of this class can see this comment which is posted by you. Now we will switch to the teacher's login. How the teacher will look like this comment, which is, or this is query given by the student. Here you can see that the teacher or every person from this class is able to see the particular query. Now what the teacher will do? The teacher will go through the this document which is provided by the student. It will solve its query, and it will give the comment. And this comment which is given by the teacher, suppose, thank you for a request, and this is the solution. So if your solution is in the text format, you can give over here the solution, what is the solution with respect to this. Or if you want to provide some again image as the solution, here you can't attach the image, so you can go to the separate comment or this share part, and here you can attach your whatever the solution that is available with either in different document or a different what we can say, the image that is a screenshot, or the image if it is on written on your paper, so that all these things you can attach or add an attachment over here, and you can post it with the reference to the previous request by the student. So in this way the stream will work. This is the option. These different options are available. That is, if I want to delete any particular request or any particular comment, that I can delete. I can mute to any of the student. Now you can see this is the teacher's login, and if I want to mute any particular student, that I can do. I can copy the link for this particular comment as well, or this particular post as well. This is what we can do with the stream tab. Thank you all, dear my colleagues, for staying tuned with my channel Tech Talks. For rest of the videos for this Google Sheet, you can go through my channel Tech Talks. Thank you.